highlight on this, I would like to invite Mr. Krishna Prasad, sir, the Vice President of Selvey, to deliver the keynote address. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite Mr. Krishna Prasad, sir, our Vice President. Thank you.
Thanks again. I don't need this. I don't need this. Good evening once again. I'm excited. I think I should search for the words to speak out, but let me try my level best. Once again, good evening. It's 5 years of journey. It's 5 years of journey, 60 months, 1827 days, 43,800 hours, and it's 26 lakhs 28,000 minutes, 5 lakhs satisfied customers. It's amazing to listen, but such a beautiful long journey. My management has given me 10 minutes of time frame to present in front of you all. So I'm so confident, and I always be confident when my team sits in front of me. Guys, they are the true source of energy for me. Whatever the task my management gives to me, I will accomplish very easily. Thanks, guys. See, the recent study says 90% of the startups in India fail in their first 5 years. But I can proudly say, Selbey stands apart. Understanding the customer sentiments that Indian consumer always wants to touch and feel before buying a handset, and the ever-growing market opportunities, which are source of growth. So it always gives opportunity for us to grow, because since 2 decades, the telecom industry, as the telecom industry is growing, the handset industry is growing. So it's an ever-growing opportunity. So there is huge scope of growth for the industry. Understanding this, and the third most important ideology is your light, your story lead the flame, but mine will ignite. This is the ideology. Combining 3 together, Selbey is the brainchild of Mr. Soma Nagaraju, started in the year 2016. Mr. Nagaraju joined with his like-minded people, started journey, a humble beginning in the year 2016, and today we are celebrating 5th anniversary celebrations. We have come a long way. So many big thanks to all the gentlemen who have supported. So I request all of my team to give a standing ovation to all the people who have supported such a successful journey. Need more. Probably expressing the gratitude needs more sound from you guys. To all dignitaries sitting in front of me. Thanks, guys, and thank you all. So, started in the year 2016, the humble beginning, and never looked back. Today, we stand in front of you with 50 plus stores running successfully, and 5 lakh satisfied customers. Today, Selbey is established as a home for the reputed brands, providing their services and selling variety range of products. It's again is one of the feather in the hat of Selbey. So our efforts were recognized. So because we need motivation, and we have received many awards, and one such award is the fastest growing chain of South India. This is not enough. This is not enough. We want to grow further. How do we grow? A great man said, if you want to go fast, grow alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. Keeping that ideology in mind, Selve has joined hands with the renowned business family Annapurna Group, a diversified group of companies into textile, distribution, hospitality, and infrastructure. So, having joined hands with Annapurna Group, gained a lot of energy and realigned, as our director strategy, Mr. Suhas mentioned, gained energy, and we have been expanding the business very aggressively and started realigning the stores for a better vicinity to reach more customers and provide very good experience. Because as we said in the AV, buying is an experience. So, not to stop here, not to stop here. We are moving ahead with an attitude of Dil Mange More attitude. And we will move ahead with the support. So, this has become, truly has become possible because of your continuous support. So, once again, a big round of applause and sense of gratitude to all the people. Why we are so blessed having your continuous support, we have set our internal guidelines to grow further, to move forward, to have more retail presence, to gain more customer base, to generate more employment. We have set our own guidelines, what we call them as mantras, the 5C mantras. I would like to present you guys in front of. See, clarity. The first mantra is clarity. See, as I discussed, as I said in the initial phase of my presentation, 90% of startups fail in the first 5 years just because of the lack of clarity. But as I said, we stand apart. Our management has got a lot of clarity in their vision and thought process. They are very realistic in approach and take decisions as per the market dynamics and the customer needs. So we work with a lot of clarity. And of course, customer is God. And we being offline retail, the intensity has to be multiplied. Yeah. So we give utmost priority to our customers. So it's not that we just sell mobile handsets or a range of products. We also provide after sales service, which is actually one important USP of Selve. That's the reason in the past successful 5-year journey, we hardly had any dissatisfied customer coming to a store for any issue. That's actually one of the great achievement of us. Because during one of our store lunch at Siddipet, a gentleman said, who was the chief guest, he said, if you want to grow, if you want to establish yourself as a brand, focus on the service. It's a wonderful statement. In fact, we are focused on that. Our focus is more on the customer support. And of course, the second internal part of the company is the brands and business associates. We treat them as the most important stakeholder of the company. We at Selve management always strive towards meeting the expectations of the brands. Yes, and third and foremost important customer is our dental customer. As I said, they are my source of energy. They are my strength. They are none other than our Selve team. We call them as brand ambassadors. They are our true brand ambassadors because today, word of mouth publicity makes a lot of difference. We have many people who have been having big brand ambassadors, but for us, the one point touch, the touch point to customer, the end user consumer is our employee. So they are our brand ambassadors. So we give more emphasis on building ownership among the employees so that they exhibit to their full potentials. Culture. Sounds funny, but it's fact. A great gentleman, Mr. Peter Drucker, management guru, said, culture eats strategy as its breakfast. Because many companies work on building strategies, but we at Selbe focus more on building culture, nurturing culture. So we always put a lot of emphasis on developing ownership and making the people to adopt the quality of change, because in today's scenario, customers' needs are very dynamic nature. So we cannot be rigid saying that we provide this, we provide that. No, we have to change as per the customer requirement. So we at Selbe always have the quality, encourage the quality of adaptability. So our culture is that it has become our integral part of the company, that change, accept change. Everything is uncertain, but change is constant. That has become our integral part of culture. And challenges. I've been expressing you all with a lot of emotion that we have a successful journey. Yes, but is it just having full of roses across the path? No. We also had a lot of challenges. We have thorns on the way, but Selbe management has got the ability to change the challenges with right attitude. That's where, as a saying goes, if a concern is not handled properly, it becomes a problem. But if you handle the problem rightly, we get the right solution for the problem and also set right examples for that. That's how Selbe management always chase the challenges with right attitude. In fact, we have come across so many challenges during the 5 years. A recent challenge is COVID crisis. Management was worried. How do we do business? People were worried. How do we get our livelihood? Our management given confidence to our people, don't worry, we all are one family. Yeah, be confident, give support, give service to customers. We have given service to customers, keeping the guidelines in view, giving the guidelines given by the government. And we are so happy that we have taken care of the employees' families during that time. That's how we always face the challenges with right attitude. And confidence, the fifth mantra is confidence. I always take confidence in two ways: gain the confidence and get the confidence. So we always strive towards gaining the confidence of the associates and brands to get their continuous support. Along with that, we always keep confidence on the team. Our team are our brand ambassadors. So with the renowned energy, with the kind of energy and confidence, we are moving forward to meet the next 5 years goals set by our management. Okay? So, as I said, with the kind of energy we have been learned and gained for the past 5 years, we have set a clear goal of having 200 store mark by next 5 years. Because the true retail strength lies in having its retail presence and customer acquisition. So we are focusing on having more number of outlets and also acquiring more number of customers. As already mentioned, we are aiming to have a 2 million satisfied customer base in the next 5 years. Yeah. The ultimate objective. Yes, we have our footprint, we have our customer base, which is asset of the company, but how do we transform that into a money power? Muscle power shifting into money power. We are aiming a magic number of 1,000 crore by 2026 annual turnover. And with the current strength of 200 family members, we are going to have 700 employees by 2026. Technology is something which is ruling the world today. So definitely, we as a company, to move forward, we are adapting the technology required to engage customers, to have our loyal customers interact with us. We are adapting the technology, and we will be standing ahead of the competition to have more stores, acquire more customers, have solid revenues and give better employment. Again and again I'm telling you, this is going to possible with all the support of the gentlemen sitting here. Thank you all much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for such great insights. Thank you so much, sir. Pleasure having you here. And yes, really like the 5C mantra concept. Such a great, thought-provoking mantra, I should say. Not just for the brand, but for oneself can also implement this mantra and can be a great human being leading to a powerful customer-centric team. Ladies and gentlemen, after such a Joshila